Demystifying Going Long. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we're going to explore the meaning and usage of going long. This phrase can be a tad confusing, but by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using it. Let's jump right in. When you first hear the term, going long, you might picture someone running a great distance. And in some contexts, you're not entirely wrong. The phrase originates from sports, particularly in games like American football. Here, going long means a player is running far down the field to receive a pass. Example: the quarterback told the receiver to go long so he could throw a deep pass. In the world of finance, particularly in stock markets and trading, going long has a completely different connotation. Here, it refers to buying a security, like a stock, with the expectation that its price will rise in the future. It's the opposite of going short, where traders expect the price to fall. Example: she is going long on that tech stock because she believes it has a promising future. Beyond sports and finance, going long can sometimes be used in casual conversations to mean extending or elaborating on a topic. Example: I know I'm going long here, but I really want to explain the details of the story to you. However, this usage is less common, so be sure to understand the context in which the phrase is used to determine its meaning. And there we have it. From the football field to the stock market, the phrase, going long, has quite a range of meanings. English is full of such dynamic phrases, and understanding them can greatly enhance your fluency. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember, language is a journey, and every phrase you learn is a step forward. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.